Okay, we have the Harrisville Designs loom, and the sensor array is just laying right up under the treadles, roughly in the position it will want it when we get it set up. The first thing we want to do is take any play out of the treadles. There's usually about a ½ inch of play that the treadles can slide left and right. The easiest way to take that out is to use a zip tie, commonly available at the hardware store. And with the zip tie, you just like at the left, but right before treadle 1, on the leftmost side, push the treadles to the right, hook it over that metal bar and cinch that zip tie up and trim off the top. Do the same thing on the rightmost treadle to take all the play out so that the treadles are squeezed together. Now we're going to put the magnets on the treadles. I have one in the photo here showing that it's already attached. And if you look, it's right at the bottom, lined up with the bottom of the treadle. That's important not to be too high or your feet will catch on the magnets. And you want it to be so flush on the bottom of the treadle and about 1 inch from the edge of the treadle case to the center of that round spacer. So use a ruler, and I recommend using a marker and marking where the edges of those cases should be before attaching them with the Velcro. Okay, we're ready to start tuning the array. Let's just start on 3 treadles. We have the magnets on 3. Take out your sensor array, and the solid part faces to the back. The front is where that little slider cap is. So that goes to the front, so you can slide it up under there. And of course you want it centered under your treadles. And you might want to plug up your system unit now, attach the power to it. And one thing you should note too is you need a piece of Velcro on the center of the treadles. There is a kind of rectangular spacer that you'll want to put a round piece of Velcro on to attach the case to that. So let's first go into the system settings and tune array, and you can just put it down on the floor. And now we can push the treadles with our hand, and it'll start beeping and showing the treadle number as it detects them. So I'm centering the system unit between the treadles left and right here. I haven't yet Velcroed it onto that center spacer. And as I go left and right, I can hear when they're detecting. And so I have 7, 8, and 9 right now with a magnet. Okay, that's good. They appear to be lined up correctly. So I'm going to put this treadle array down. Your little latch may appear different. We're going to improve this in the future, but it'll clamp over the system array and then onto that little piece of wood that you saw there. That helps it keep it from moving, and if the loom does move, the sensor array will move with the loom. That's the idea. So now we can continue to add the other treadle magnets and continue to tune.